Chop your okra into smaller pieces, turn it to your saucepan, add in water, chop onion and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add in your chopped spinach and shrimps, which is totally optional. Stir it till well combined and let it cook until it is ready. Once it's ready, keep it aside. Now for the veggies, all you have to do is chop them into smaller pieces and blend, which is onion, ginger, garlic, and just small tomatoes, which is also totally optional. Normally sometimes I don't use tomatoes, but if you want you can use tomatoes. So these are the pieces of meat left in my freezer, and I wanted to clean my freezer, so I took all out. I have goat meat, cow meat, pig feet, and I took all from my freezer, and then I added in the blended onion mix, meat seasoning, salt, and one shrimp cube. And then added in water, covered it, and bring it to a boil. So this took about 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. So I left some of the blended veggies because I'll be adding mackerel as well. So I added in fish seasoning and salt. I then stirred till well combined, cover it, and then kept it aside until it was ready to be used. So after 20 minutes the meat was still hard, so I stirred it and then I added in water again, small water, and then I covered it until it was almost ready. So this was almost halfway cooked. I stirred it again. I added in just a little bit of water and then the mackerel. I then covered it and let it cook until the meat was almost tender. So once the meat was almoast tender, the fish was also cooked. That's the point when I added in back the okra. So basically that's very simple. Go ahead and preheat your palm oil and you're good to go. Make your banku. This is the easiest okra soup you will ever find on the internet. It's very easy and it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give it a try. Let me know how it turned out in the comment section. The easiest way and the delicious, very extremely delicious okra soup you will ever make. So guys, this is it. I hope you try and you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, adios, bye bye.